Imagine you're a financial novice, standing at the edge of the investing pool, unsure of where to dive in. You've heard about Stash, a popular investment app, but how does it actually work? Let's dive in together. Ever wondered, can I invest with just a few bucks? Or, is investing complicated? Stash says, absolutely not. Stash is a micro-investing app designed to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level or financial situation. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket, but without the hefty fees. How Stash works. Setting up your account. Download the Stash app and create an account. It's a simple process that requires basic information like your name, email, and date of birth. Link your bank account to fund your Stash account. You can start investing with as little as $5. Choosing your investment strategy. Stash offers different investment strategies, each tailored to specific goals and risk tolerances. For beginners, Stash recommends starting with their Stash Beginner Portfolio, which is a diversified mix of stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You can also choose from other portfolios, such as Stash Growth, Stash Balanced, or Stash Conservative. Fractional shares. One of Stash's unique features is its ability to purchase fractional shares of stocks. This means you don't need to buy a whole share of a company, making investing more affordable. For example, if a share of Apple is $100, you can purchase a fraction of a share for as little as $5. Auto Invest. Stash offers an auto invest feature that allows you to set up recurring investments. This makes it easy to save and invest consistently over time. You can choose how often you want to invest and how much you want to contribute each time. Stash Banking. In addition to investing, Stash also offers a banking service. You can open a Stash Cash account and earn interest on your savings. Stash Cash can be used to fund your investments or for everyday purchases. Benefits of using Stash. Accessibility. Stash is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to start investing. Affordability. You can start investing with as little as $5, making it accessible to everyone. Diversification. Stash's portfolios offer a diversified mix of investments, helping to reduce risk. Education. Stash provides educational resources to help you learn more about investing. Convenience. The app is easy to use and can be accessed from anywhere. Common questions. Is Stash safe? Yes, Stash is a SEC-registered investment advisor and your funds are FDIC insured. How much can I make with Stash? Your returns will depend on the performance of the investments in your portfolio. Can I withdraw my money at any time? Yes, you can withdraw your money at any time, but there may be fees associated with early withdrawals. Stash is a great option for beginners looking to start investing. It's easy to use, affordable, and offers a variety of investment options. With Stash, you can take control of your financial future and start building wealth. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy investing.